Hi! So for this video, we'll be staying in a Korean traditional house or a Hanok house. I'm here currently in Bukchon Village and we're staying here in Yeonnam Guest House. This is the name of the place and I'll just put it in the description box below. But they have I got them from an Airbnb. So I was given a card key to open this lock, and then when you go inside, there's this room, and this is my room. So you remove your shoes first. So paglalabas, ano lang tong lock dito. And then, ito yung itsura ng guest house. So, huwag nyo na pansinin yung mga gamit ko. So, this is what the room looks like. As in, one box lang talaga siya. And, traditionally, they sleep on the floor mattresses. But there's an aircon perfect for the summer. So, I can still stay here during the summer. This is the traditional window that you can open and close. And for this room, I have a private bathroom or CR. This is what it looks like. So, may binigay silang set of mattresses, floor mattresses dahil doon naman daw tulog before. So, right now, nilatag ko na yung one mattress because isa lang naman ako. And yun, ito yung itsura niya. Malaki siya, pwede siya pang 2 person. Onion Anguk Station branch, and opening hours is from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and this is famous due to the social media. We go to the cafe first because I want to buy some bread and pastries for my breakfast tomorrow. Chili sausage, sayang. Parang gusto ko pa naman. Ito parang masarap. Cream cheese garlic spaghetti. Ito bago to. Black crunch. And I have some croissants here. And salt butter bread. This is 3,000 won each. And cheese brown. Salty caramel cake. And thick croissant. Plain out pistachio, which is 6,000 won each. Hazelnut choco. Blueberry pastry. And avocado kolak rogan. Hi, so today is my last day or check-out in the Hanok Stay. I'm just going to grab some breakfast before I check out. Surprisingly, I slept really comfortable there in last night. So, kasi masarap yung tulog ko kagabi. And then, yun lang, wala lang siyang kasi yung mga basic appliances like yung thermos and yung microwave niya kasi parang shared siya in a living room. Si Ajuma kasi dun siya natutulog sa living room. Naya naman ako na gisingin siya para lang mag-microwave. So, I'll grab some breakfast in Cafe Onion because yun yung earliest na cafe na open. 7 a.m. siya open. Medyo malayo-layo lang ng konti. Siguro mga 10-minute walk towards it before I go back home na where my apartment is. Yun. So, it's a nice experience naman staying in a Hanok house. So, I enjoyed it there. No, pero hindi siya yung pang long-term stay for me because medyo mahirap siya eh. Wala siyang mga basic necessities like spoon and fork and everything. So, siguro yung mga short-term stay, okay siya. Pero pag yung mga long-term, medyo marami kang bibili na gamit just to stay there. So, anyways, hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!